Keytool commands to replace existing SSL certificate. I have a Linux CentOS server running Glassfish 3.2 app server. The default certs coming from Glassfish install for ports 4848 and 8181 are 1024 bits. I need to replace these with 2048 bits versions. Looking for help to create the keytool command line code that does this. I located the certs here.
Here you go. I always keep this page bookmarked as a reference, the most common Java keytool keystore commands. So you'll need to delete the certificate before you can re-add it. From the above page, delete a certificate from a Java keytool keystore. Keytool delete alias midomain keystore keystore.jks.
I differ with the response above. What I have found is if you create the CSR from the existing keystore, you can just replace the certificate. All you do is import the new certificate using the same alias as the old one. Keytool import cert alias old underscore cert underscore alias file new underscore cert underscore file dot cert keystore your underscore key underscore store dot jks.
Thank you.